Saying number 211. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." Generosity is the protector of honor, forbearance is the bridle of the fool, forgiveness is the levy of success, disregard is the punishment of him who betrays, and consultation is the chief way of guidance. He who is content with his own opinion faces danger. Endurance braves calamities, while impatience is a helper of the hardships of the world. The best contentment is to give up desires. Many a slavish mind is subservient to overpowering longings. Capability helps preservation of experience. Love means well-utilized relationship. Do not trust one who is grieved.